This is Ashford International, and today I'm going to travel from here in South Kent up to the capital, on board the fastest train in Britain, the Southeastern high-speed Javelin. Join me today on this high-speed journey. Let's get on with the video. Ashford International is a major hub for trains in southeastern England, serving destinations such as Eastbourne, Dover and London. There is also a Eurostar terminal here, but ever since the COVID pandemic, Eurostar stopped operating international services at Ashford International. Now, this terminal is integrated with the domestic station. In my opinion, the Eurostar terminal just looks like a stereotypical airport terminal, but it's cool compared to outside. Now, time to head downstairs to my train. And just like in every major station in Britain, there are ticket barriers to ensure only passengers with tickets can gain access to the station. Ticket scan complete. Now it's time to head to my platform, which is platform 5. My train is the 5:16 Southeastern high-speed service to London St Pancras. Now this train needs absolutely no introduction because it's the Southeastern high-speed Javelin, the fastest train in Britain. This train has a top speed of 140 miles an hour or 225 kilometers an hour in order to run on high speed 1, the only high-speed line in Britain. These trains derive from the Hitachi A-train family of trains, being designated the AT300. The reason why it looks so similar to modern Hitachi IETs. Now, time to board the train. First impressions of this interior, it's really pleasant with a nice relaxing ambience. Just a quick walk through of the leading coach. Now, time to settle in my seat for today. It's a forward-facing window seat. Before I leave, this will be the route I'll be travelling on today. This train will cross lots of southeast England before arriving at London. Time to depart. And my train leaves on time from platform 5 at 5:16 p.m. And after trundling through the classic lines in Ashford, the train finally makes it onto the high-speed line, slowly gaining speed. And now the train is fully on HS1. Now it's time for the seat review. Starting off with the seats, they're quite comfortable, but oh, look at those dirt marks. Has this train been cleaned? This could be really unappealing to passengers, something they definitely don't want to write home about. For every pair of seats, there are 3 armrests, one on either side of each seat and a shared armrest in the middle. I would rather prefer it to be 2 separate armrests. There is an electronic reservation display here, but these don't work. Therefore, the seats on the train are left unreserved. In the middle of the train, there's a table area, and this table is really big. Underneath each pair of seats, there's a British 3-pin power socket. And for the average seat, there's a seat back tray table with the cup holder, but it's too small to hold a laptop in my opinion. Overall, these train seats are comfortable and uphold a good standard, albeit the dirt marks on the seat. At the front and rear coaches of each train set, there is a disabled toilet at the rear of the coach. Now, what do I think of the toilet? It's clean, spacious and perfect. This is the River Medway, a stunning sight on HS1. And already, in just under 15 minutes, the train is almost halfway through its journey. And welcome to Ebbsfleet International. Ebbsfleet International is 10 miles east of London and serves regular and high-speed Southeastern services. Just like Ashford International, Ebbsfleet International used to serve international Eurostar services until the pandemic. As you can see there, those are the classic lines heading to Charing Cross and Victoria. Now, time to leave Ebbsfleet International. This is the bridge where Southeastern high-speed services branch onto the classic lines towards Tonbridge and Rainham. Now, the train briefly dives under the Thames before coming out the other side. And this is the iconic Dartford Bridge, a true English engineering marvel. On the right here is a C2C line from Grays to Barking. A sign the train is in London. Although the train is not stopping here, this is the Dagenham Dock C2C station, the final station before my train dives underground. Wait, there's sunlight in a tunnel? Well, this means we're close to Stratford International. Welcome to Stratford International, the penultimate station on this journey. This train station was opened as part of the second phase of the High Speed 1, serving the busy area of Stratford. Although this station is called Stratford International, the term international is merely used to distinguish between the two Stratford stations, Stratford Regional and Stratford International. Now, time to talk about the Olympics, because the Olympics was hosted here. Each javelin train set is named after an Olympic athlete, and my one, which is class 395014, is named after Dina Asher-Smith. Also, the name javelin is used to describe the train's sleek appearance. A nice touch in my opinion. However, unlike the other stations on this route, Stratford International was never international. And after heading out Stratford International, boom! The train's already at St Pancras International, our final destination for today. Overall, the journey today was really nice. The train was comfortable, had everything a passenger could need, and the scenery was really nice as well. And it's time to leave the train in central London. So, how much did this journey cost? Although this route is short, it costs quite a hefty price of £42.40 for a single journey. Note, this is without a rail card. Exiting the station now. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next one.